And today I'm going to be sharing 3 signs your locks are starting to mature. First, I want to give a shout out to each and every one of you all for pressing the play button, and for those who have hit subscribe, for joining the Triple L crew. Thanks for all the love. I felt so much love in the comments lately. Thank you so much. Every time you comment, every time you like, that allows my videos to be seen by more people. And if you find this video helpful, I'm sure other people will find it helpful. So press that like, post a comment, and you'll be helping more people find information they need. All right, so 3 things I know you're wondering.
How long am I gonna be in this stage? What does this mean if my hair looks like this? What stage is alone?
If anything I can say, and you'll hear me say this across multiple videos or in the comments, be patient and just know that with time, your journey will progress. And just know that with time, your journey will progress. All right, so the things that you can look for that are signs that your locks are maturing would be budding. And I mentioned this in my video, Now You Got Locks, you know what to expect. And if you haven't, click right here. But in that video I talk about 10 things to expect. But one of the things I talked about was budding. That's one of the processes that you can look at your locks and see that it's starting to get to the mature stage. And there's no stretch of time or no definite time when you will hit that budding stage. And all of your locks won't bud at the same time. It just varies. So yeah, budding is a sign that your locks are getting to the mature stage. Now, you can be in the budding stage for a while though, but it's just a sign that you're getting close. All right, I'm looking at my phone, so you'll see me looking down. You'll start to see your ends completely closed and you won't have any more curlies. And lastly, when you're moving and progressing within your stages, if you had a time when you were suffering from slippage, and also everyone doesn't necessarily suffer from a lot of slippage, it varies, but you'll see that your hair, when you get it retightened, there's no repairing for locks that have slippage. That's a sign that you're heading towards more mature locks. Now, that's not a definite, okay, now that I see that I don't have any more slippage or no more buds, or I got 1 or 2 ends that I've closed, that I'm now mature locks. No, it doesn't mean that, but it just lets you know those are the telltale signs that, okay, my locks are becoming more mature. My locks are getting closer to completely locking. Yeah, those are just some things to keep in mind. When you start seeing the buds, you should be like, oh my gosh, I'm getting there. But you don't know how long it's going to take through that budding process, but it's a sign that, okay, I'm getting there, I'm making a step. Even if it seems like a baby step, you're making a step. Also, when you see some of your ends start to close, there's no more curlies there, okay, you headed towards the mature stage. And then when you see that when you get your hair retightened, there's no slippage, it's just retightening of your locks, you're getting there. You got your budding, and you have points when you are going through slippage, and then you get a point where all that's closed up and your hair is more mature. So these are some telltale signs that you are on your way. Now, you may not be there yet, but you're on your way. Comment below if you have any other comments about signs that you are heading towards the mature stage of your locks. And yeah, subscribe. Are you connected with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter? If not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out the links below. Also check out my playlist. Yeah, remember I make videos every week just for you, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So keep tuning in. All right, peace.